fueled up, so I'm happy to say that the fuel economy is still good. How you doing? I have a tired out head on me. There's an annoying thing that's started happening recently, that in the mornings, if I don't have to get up, I'll wake up naturally around 8 o'clock, say, and be not too bad tired. But if I have something on early in the mornings, I don't know whether it's anxiety or what it is, but I just won't sleep. I'll wake up every hour, on the hour pretty much, up until the time I have to wake up. So last night I went to bed, well, I meant to go to bed early, but I actually went to bed around 12:30 or something. And I wanted to get up at like 7:30 to have a shower, get bike ready, get some petrol and stuff. But I just kept waking up 1 AM, 2 AM, 3 AM, 4 AM, 5 AM, 6 AM. Probably just need to go to bed earlier and keep the screen time less. But anyways, good morning and welcome back to the channel. You're joining me and my housemate Marty. He's there behind me somewhere, if you can see him on the GoPro. And we're off to a classic bike show in Carlow today. But first, we're heading southbound. Excuse me. To meet up with Mr. Jason Cairns, who you'll remember from the video where we took his beloved Vera for a spin out in Kerry this time last year. He's coming up from Dungarvan, so we're going to run into him somewhere on the road coming this way. And we'll head up to the bike show together. Should be a good laugh. But yeah, apparently this bike show has been going on for a number of years. Jason said he himself, not Vera, but a different Bullet that he had, he rode up 4 years ago, and I think it won a prize. I'm not sure, we'll have to ask him. But for now, let's go find him. Okay, just passed us this way. Just missed him on the camera, so good timing. We're only a few minutes down the road. Good morning, Jason. How are you? Long time no see. This is my housemate Marty. He's coming along with us to the show. Yeah.
Hopefully I won't slow you up too much.
Say that again?
Hopefully I won't slow you up too much.
Ah, no. You're making good time.
20 to 9.
Yeah.
I did leave about, I don't know, 20 to 7.
Yeah.
But,
making good time.
we'll get to Paulsdown and then stop and have a coffee.
Sounds good. Cool.
It's cold.
It's very cold. You lead the way, so. That way to Carlow, yeah. Do you want me to lead on? Yeah. I've also forgot to mention that the two mirrors, when I was in Europe, well, before I was in Europe, this one used to swing towards me, and that wasn't good. And as I went through Europe, that problem became worse and worse. But it was actually this mirror on the left, not this one, but the mirror on the left, that the ball joint just broke or something. Someone must have bumped into it as they were going past and cracked it. So I ordered 2 new mirrors off Hitchcock's, but I accidentally ordered 4 mirrors because I bought 2 pairs. So thank God they're nice ones, because I have a lot of them to get through before I can get back to the OEM ones. These are I can't remember what they're called, but they're on the Hitchcock's website, and I think they were £15 for a pair, something like that. It's not bad. I did notice as well, they are less vibey than the original mirrors were. Not sure what that's about. There's less weight up here, I think, than the original mirror, so it's probably something to do with that, if that makes sense. I think there's a filling station just off the corner of the motorway.
Is there?
Yeah, so we just take the third exit on the roundabout back the way. Yeah.
You don't have to go on to the motorway.
No, no, no. I wouldn't do that to you. Almost neutral. Now, something mad just happened. Someone recognized me from YouTube. He just came up to me to chat about it and stuff, so that was very nice. So thank you, Mr. Ed Brown. Here's your little shout out. That's mad, because that hasn't really happened before, to be recognized. I mean, usually people shout at me at Sheeran, so it's nice to be recognized as Bullet Wanderer instead. Motorcycles. Hello. Hello. Oh, and welcome to Carlow. All green for Vera. Or not. Wished. Yeah. I'm guessing we're just about there now. Yeah, because there's the train station. And I think it's in the school next door. Cool, me and Marty will find somewhere to park. Crikey. Hey man. I think the guy said to park here. Dad, how'd you find that?
Yeah, it was alright, wasn't it?
It's quite...
Once we got through there, I remembered. I knew it was a little road up on the left.
Yeah. Tennering. It's like going into a nightclub.
Hooter for you over on that other table.
A new what?
Hooter.
Oh! Would you put that saddle on the Kawasaki?
No, I'd fucking wreck my ass on it. Probably hit a bump and get launched off the thing.
Time Marty, we got there and everything was closing up. It's nice to see.
Oh yeah, it's nice to be here before that happens.
Before everything's gone and bought. Hey, look at the... Wait, go buy something off of what?
Off a little dog.
Yeah.
Is that a BSA?
It looks like. Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Yeah. It was a BSA.
It was, yeah. BSC. That took me a moment.
It's the
Man,
BSA.
that Triumph is just wanting to go. Look at it. It's just like, oh, let me off the stand, man. Let me go.
Yeah, you can really see it eagerly pouncing.
Yeah. She's a twin as well.
Yeah. Very clean. Like tidy engine, you know. Norton.
Tank? Because yeah, they got the Royal Enfield there, but the logo looks so weird.
Yeah.
Jesus, you'd have to fix everything on it though.
Get all that in the kitchen sink there.
And then it's like a bunch of wheels in the background.
If we ever do that Fallout New Vegas trip, we'd have to take that bike.
Oh yeah, be on the Indian Chiefs or something.
Yeah.
I'm sure you probably read.
What year would you say it is?
Wait, but Indian's like pretty old, isn't
I
it?
think so, yeah, like 1930s.
That's my guess. Just
I've never seen a reg like that.
yeah.
Is he allowed to do that?
I know, it's weird.
Speaking of the devil.
God,
You'd hate that, Marty.
yeah, you would. Just talking about like a Ricci set of like gear.
Yeah.
That you can get like full waterproof set for like real dirt cheap. Oh shit.
That's the exact one you were on about.
Well, it's the inline 4 I'm on about.
Oh.
Oh shit, I put some silent.
One of the Enfields before they got the Royal name back.
Oh wow.
That was like during the... after the 70s and up to the 90s.
500cc. Well, it doesn't say how much it is though.
Yeah, I guess you
This
have
is-
to ring to find out.
I guess because it is in really good condition.
That doesn't have the headlight casket.
What? It's like a truck.
Lead the way.
Oh, would you like?
Oh, look at that BMW.
God damn. This is where all the actual vintage shit is.
But this like type,
That engine is nuts though.
the R75.
Yeah.
Should I take it in the back out? Or the one over there, the white one? Do you remember I was telling you about EMW?
Yeah.
They made these.
Yeah.
Vera's cousins.
They're tricky enough. Yeah.
And it's just like found in a barn. Yeah, holy shit.
And someone said, just sure take that.
And look at
It's
the
yours.
The Garda Triumph. 1946.
Ancient VSAs.
It is funny.
Look
just-
at the suspension.
They all. What the f? It's like such a weird linkage. I feel like it's so funny because everyone was clearly just like. Well, these are like this Liam Kenny guy. He didn't want Marty.
The lamp arrangement.
No things like that, so if it's genuine trouble.
He just be like, give me that mic right now.
Yeah, that's Sean McGee. VSA. So time has come to hit the road. Marty, what did you think?
Smelly old people. Not don't put that.
Here comes the rain, so it's time to wrap it up and say goodbye. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.